What do you do when your bench stuff goes on a bench? Well, you fix it. That's what you do. So let's see what's going on with this little guy here, little Heathkit signal tracer. It's the IT-12 here we're looking at. And I did modify this for my use. Let's get her warmed up. And I'll show you what's going on. I did a full cap job not too long ago. The eye tube is starting to dim a bit. What else? I cannot tell you. Speaker's not on. Oh, it is. A little bit of noise there in the background. We're going to go in there and take a peek at the tubes and see what's up. That's what we're going to do. One of the cool things about this particular unit, and it's also something that I disabled because I don't need to kill myself if I'm having a late night and I touched the wrong thing. This will replace, these terminals here will replace an output transformer. If you have a suspected bad one, you can sub this one in and continue the test. And then you could also send the signal to an external set of speakers. So very handy unit here. I've disconnected these. I got kids in the house. I don't need them touching this or having any sort of an incident. What else did I do? I replaced the hardwired internal probe with one of these. I also rebuilt, actually built a new probe. I have the original as well, but I made a more contemporary version that's a lot more compact and for me handy. So let's get her whipped around and opened up. This one is grounded. You can really hear that it's producing a lot of audible power line hum. So let's see what's up. I think we have a tube that's going out. So let's open her up. All right. So I hope you guys are doing well out there. And I wanted to thank the new members for joining up. I'm trying to connect with each of you. I want to keep this tight and personal with you guys because you guys are helping me directly. So you guys will be the first ones to see this. And yes, this was repainted, and there's new grill cloth on the front. And I should have used some Phillips head screws. These are still a pain in the butt. So let's get her open up, and then I'll show you guys what's up, so you can see what's going on. Yeah, super cool. So let me come up with a better shot. I'll just go this direction here. Let me see. I can't even see what you're seeing. So these are the guts. I might have to go handheld. These are the guts of the unit here. And you have your power tube here. This is a beautiful little guy here. 12CA5. If you want to take a look at that. Hopefully it's not that guy. You have 12AX7. This one's a JJ. Doesn't really work this tube too hard. You can see your diode here. You can see what was a multi-section cap can has been replaced with this. Here's the eye tube here. This will be the leads for your output transformer, just a couple, to your device under test. And then this is your eye tube here. So let's change camera angles and see if there's a way for me to, let's see if there's a way for me to show you guys what's up. All right, stand by. All right, so I was digging through my tube stash, and I came across two magic eye tubes, one of which will fit. And I believe this came with the unit when I originally bought it. It wasn't that bright. Carefully. There we go. And this unit's an RCA. Let's see. Yeah, she's not sounding that great. Get a better shot here. All right. That is looking good. I wonder if these little guys are starting to give it up. So let's fire her up carefully. And get real, like what we're not going to get is a reduction in hum at this point. I am tempted to buy a new power tube. All right. And let's layer down on our side. And we'll power her up. I am tempted to, sometimes I'm tempted to sell this. Sometimes. It is beautiful though. I do like the paint job. So let's get you guys down here. And yeah, is the eye tube still good? Yeah, it is. But I just get a little crazy about things. That's my job, isn't it? Let's turn the speaker on. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I think this tube is even dimmer than the prior one. Yeah, and I So I may just put the other guy back in there. And then for my money, I like to orient the aperture towards the bottom or the top, depending on where the slack for the leads lie. So I should be able to finish rotating her. But yeah, there she is. So maybe someday I'll sell her. But it's always when you need the damn thing that you don't have it, huh? And really the hum is negligible. It's not bad at all. It's just not bad at all. These are original pots. Maybe we need to go ahead and re-clean these. It's been a few years. Everything's original for the most part, except for the maintenance items. Excuse me. So, anywho, there you have it. If you've ever been curious about what these sound like with guitar, let's find out. See if I can get a better shot of this eye. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Let's get that in there. Too much ambient light in here. See that? that's it. Kind of a lull today. Gotta do some housework. Hope y'all are well.